We're looking at the drum roll, please. Jonathan Styles design. That's a good sign. Area 8, right? Not Area 51, but Area 8, 4.23 inches on the blade length. AEBL steel, quickly becoming one of you guys' favorites. Satin finish and G10 handle. All right, let's check it out. All right. So now that I know it's a Jonathan Styles design, I'm excited here. We got a quality check pass right there, sticker on the box. And there we go. These are always very snug. We got a sticker. We got the knife right here. Ooh, baby, that's looking good. Okay, we'll check that out in just a moment. And right in here, we have a wiping cloth. We have additional hardware. We have the sheath, of course, which we'll need some paperwork. And we're also getting that additional clip. So, I mean, is this a thing with Kizer now? They're adding additional clips on the box. So you get one by default. It's this guy right here we looked at, you know, many of their models, like the one we just looked at. And then there's the additional clip. That is absolute W in my book. But oh man, come on now. All right, let's take a look, closer look at the Area 8 here from Jonathan Styles. Go ahead and remove the safety tip, mandatory, obligatory. Little wipe right here, remove some of the oils, right? Have the camera do it justice. On the shoot here, you guys can get that 4K resolution. Check out this blade right here. We have a very long sort of drop point in a way. Beautiful switch there towards the front. Got some belly there as well. Cutting path stays relatively straight. And then we got that belly towards the front. Flat grind, AEBL steel, right? Very nice. And then we got this G10 handle. I do like the combo here with the black and green. And interestingly enough, the other variant has black where the green is and green where the black is, and it has a blacked out blade. So this one has a satin AEBL steel. The other one also has AEBL steel with a black PVD coating. So that's probably something worth considering. And it kind of goes black, green, black, or this one is satin, black, green. So they kind of, it's a reverse of each other. So that's nice. We got jimping on this side, jimping on the opposite side. A pretty lengthy handle. I mean, check this out. I mean, got average size hands, you already know. And we got a pretty good knife right here with some lines. Very similar to the lines we see on like something like the Sheepdog, but at a slight less of an angle, right? Less indented, if you would. Pretty cool. We got TA hardware on both sides. Lanyard solution, right? Hole right there in the back. And I mean, overall, I mean, we got handle here for days. Feels nice, feels comfortable, very capable. I mean, anything outdoors, right? Maybe like a food prep knife, right? On the campsite, it can absolutely do that for sure. Dig in that. Plenty of handle. Accommodating larger hands. If you have big old bear paws, you should be good. I mean, are we doing the Friday night gas station fighting grip, the Pacol grip? I don't know, but definitely not the knife for that. But my point is, it feels very comfortable in every single scenario, right? Reverse grip is good too, right? Definitely got, again, a very long cutting path. So it's gonna be a slicer, right? You're peeling vegetables, you're peeling an orange, whatever you got going on. You could do a little bit of tabletop cutting, right? The tip, or the belly, I'm sorry, is actually towards the front. So it's not like you have a progressing belly throughout the blade. But you could maybe, right, use the tip there, right, the little belly as well. So that's, again, possibilities upon possibilities with this thing. So I do like the design. Overall, a very elegant design. Straightforward, not going, you know, reinventing the wheel of or anything. But in a way, I mean, like, come on, man. Like, look at this piece right here. This part right there, Jonathan Styles DNA, right, always coming through on his designs. I see it right there with the combo of two colors and whatnot. Right, there's just enough right there to give you a little hint that it is one of his designs, and I absolutely appreciate the, you know, detail. Now it's got the sort of like finger guard going on here on both sides. I wouldn't, you know, forward choke or anything, but I can put a thumb on the blade if I wanted to, right, to get more control. I absolutely can. And I mean, we're looking at a pretty lengthy blade here, 4.23 inches on the blade. That is absolutely something. I'll tell you what. Here's the sheath. We're gonna go ahead and check. Oh man, come on, this is butter right here. Look at this. Super smooth, nice satisfying click. Keep in mind, sometimes, you know, when you get these in the box, you may need to adjust, you know, maybe loosen up this Phillips head or tighten it up depending on the scenario. The tighter, obviously, the more snug, the harder it is for you to press it in, right, and click it out and things like that. And if it's too stiff, you can loosen it up a little bit. I mean, you get the idea there. Multiple holes on both sides, and we got that pocket clip we've seen time and time again. Multiple holes there, right? Very easy to adjust, right? Turn it horizontal, vertical, whatever you like, right? This one's pretty standard with the button, spring-loaded button there. But again, we're getting this guy right here as a bonus. And I mean, if Kizer's doing this moving forward, this is going to be a win, an absolutely win. It kind of gives me like OT clip vibes in a way, but not quite. right? So, I mean, the OT clip has like a little clamp that you kind of press down and it kind of clamps on to whatever it is you got your jeans or whatever it is you're putting the sheath or clipping the sheath to. But this is a pretty good solution there, right? If you wanted a backup, again, like we said earlier, something slimmer, less bulky, absolutely a pretty decent approach. And you got, again, 2 options out of the box, which is better than just 1 option, period. So making a great first impression here. I mean, I can't think of anything else to share that I haven't already said here about the Area 8. Straightforward, you know, classic design, very clean aesthetics for sure. Not reinventing the wheel, but absolutely 1000% functional. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.